All right, we are live. Let's check and make sure everything is good. I think the notification just came through. So we're going to do another test. Oh, yeah, that sounds excellent. All right. Guys, we're just vibe coding some stuff right now. Just chilling. I just wanted to go live, try something out. This is my newer setup. Not a new machine, but newer setup. So, um I just finished it up. It's honestly not even finished. I'm still trying to figure things out here, but I got most everything the way it about should be. I gotta go get a little things here and there. But I switched out. My laptop used to be behind me, and that's what I was using in here for quite a long time. But I decided I wanted to make this now my office. Honestly, I just wanted to make it my space. Literally just like my space because um the way I had it before, it was like I was calling downstairs to my office, but it was like I never even use it. So, and then I was gonna make it the podcast studio, but I just love this one so much. So it's like, whatever. So yeah, that's how we got to that. And yeah, so I got the setup back there, like I was saying. I took the laptop downstairs and I wanted to be more mobile because I'm having to do a lot more like school or travel for school. So I want to be able to have the laptop be a little bit more mobile, and unplugging it from that setup was kind of annoying. And then I wasn't using anything downstairs. So I was like, let me split this up a bit. And then I'll use the space downstairs instead of as an office, but more like a utility room. So I have two of my servers down there that I don't use as much, but ones that I don't need like physical access to all the time. I could just walk down if I want. And then I put the laptop down and then brought my main machine, my M4 mini up, and so now I'm using that again. And I already had a VM on there, so when I'm doing hacking stuff. And so that's about that machine. What else is it? What else is going on with it? That's it. I took my two Dell screens that were in the garage that got reclaimed. I took them back out and now they're there. So those are those two screens. And after that, we have the next main setup, which is one we've talked about before, but basically that's the pre-build that we bought that I was going to use for streaming. And that was supposed to be my main streaming machine for up here. And then I had another one, the one that we're speaking on at this very moment was the one that was in the garage. And because of the change of events, I decided to kind of mix things up. And then in the garage now, I stream like I'm mobile basically. So I stream from a HubSpot talent. And that is an amazing experience. So what I did was I was like, "Oh, I'm going to rebuild the computer. I'm going to do some new things with it." And when it came to some realizations, what was going on with my computer, what I want to do with my other computer, I think I decided that I built a new stand, and I was like, "Man, I love this little stand and I love this chair. I love sitting here, just being able to talk to you guys and like just talk to the chat, talk to the just vibe." So, I decided to bring everything up here where I'm most comfortable, where I most want to talk and hang out and whatnot. So then I made this whole new stand, man, so I can do sit here with my spiritual stuff. I can do my podcast from here. I can do the coding from here. I can do the editing from here, making videos, whatever it's got to be. And then the cameras are on nice stands, so I can like change the look. So right now you have, a little bit of everything, but if you move this camera just slightly over and come from a different angle, it looks more like a podcast now, just like, in a room or whatever, which is cool. And there's two desks. So, and that's what I do. So on this one, um, this would be the beefiest of the Windows machines. And this one we have the Elgato Wave 3, the Osspot Pan PTZ camera, a 5K monitor, which I forget who makes this. BenQ, from BenQ. And then another monitor, an LG LED monitor that I picked up from the store, and put that on this new stand and I have. And this is gonna be my main desk when I'm coding and when I'm like app development type stuff. And my setup over there, I'll probably do some hacking stuff too. Um, Anything that I'd rather use a Mac for, absolutely. And my VM is already over there. I mean, I could build a new one for this machine, but why? Mostly, I think whatever I'll do on this machine will probably revolve around streaming. So when I'm streaming, this, when I'm streaming, for the podcast, I'm probably gonna always be here. Maybe hacking stuff over there. We'll see how it goes. We'll let it flow. We'll let it flush. We'll just move around and do as we feel, and we'll keep going from there. Um, I do like the way that setup looks over there. It looks damn good, y'all. And this whole area looks good, and honestly feels good. So, may not be everybody's cup of tea. It is like a low setup. Most people probably wouldn't like something so low. But like I like this chair and I like my other like little mini chair. And because of the type of chair this is, like the back support, that everything support is just perfect. And if I really want to just like lounge out, I can. But if I also want to sit up straight, sit up a lot more straight, than I can too. You can just like pull in, tuck in if I really want to get close to my setup and then get going. So anyway, that's rambling about the way the setups are looking right now, and we'll post pictures and things like that and go through it. But what do we have here? So basically I'm building this web app, and I'm trying to get the chat bot to be behind my Patreon wall. So basically you sign up for a membership, this one being free, and you get access to the AI bot that I'm programmed. And so, but the thing that I'm having issues with is the button. So let's see. Oh god, not the right one. Labs. Web3. Bro. Yeah, now the whole damn thing doesn't work. All right, so what do we have? So let's see. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can. All right. Bet. So it looks like this. This is a podcast that I'm about to start with a business partner of mine. So, I have, the template, most of the things ready, but we don't have all the episodes ready. So right now that's just away. But the words are pretty much good enough. So anyway, I have the AI bot, But when you click it now, it goes away and now like nothing is in this page. Like view page source, there is something in it, but not what we need. And I need to figure out why it's doing that. Yeah, back, and then once I click, it goes away. So that's clearly not right. Um, oh my God, that is not what I wanted. I feel like I'm gonna have to leave that because moving that back and forth is gonna be annoying. It already acted like a fool. So, sometimes it's like so much wordplay when you're trying to figure out how to talk to these things that it ends up being like takes me like so long to like write the sentence. I'm just trying to think about, oh, well, if I say it like this, is it gonna get confused? Well, if I don't say it like this, is it gonna get confused about this now? And it's just like, dang, man. Either way. Where did I put all my waters? Are they all over there? I really wish I would have left them right here because I really don't want to get up. This, like I've said before, this chair is comfortable. One click. So how vibey can we get? Should we just ignore everything and just wham it and just say fuck it? We don't even want to know what's different. Forget the coding differences. I mean, that is the exact coding you would need. Okay. I see what happened. My bad. All right. Rebuild my app. Rebuild my app. Um. Okay. Okay. Mm, the button gone. Unlock with the assistant. Okay. All right. So but there's no button, you know? That's genius. All right. Absolute funnage. Ooh, keeps asking, so we're gonna have to open it. Allow. Failed. Compile successfully. Uh, okay. Keep allow. Let's see. All right, we have our button. We allowed. Failed. Oh god. And then it then it refreshed us out and it still crashes. Um okay, what do we have here? Mm, all right, refresh. Available. Refresh. All right, let me put this back over here so y'all can see it. So, um, connect. It's not. Um, hmm. Failed to load resource error name not resolved. Hmm. Oh, look at that. Might have to fix that. And we need to then go find this. Fine. Um, hold on. That's not what I want. All right, app. What the fuck would that have to do with anything, bro? Um, oh, I see what I just did. What if? Anyway, that's what happens when you ain't. I think I'm a little tired to be up doing this, but I really wanted to use the setup. Stupid though. Homepage render app.js. Yeah, the thing about vibing is it's all fun and games until it gets stuck, and then there's just nothing you can do but to do it on your own. So you still couldn't do it if you wanted, in my opinion. But hey, whatever. I know people like to, at least not this platform yet. I have not found a way to make it be as automated as people claim it to be. It's fun though, and way faster. Don't get me wrong on that one. You can speed the fuck up. Okay. So we have a chat element, route to chat. Um, so here we should be looking for a button. Um, here it is. React app. Patreon prompt unlock AI assistant connect. Words, put the button. Handle the patron connect. Begin connect with the button. Connect with patron. Okay. Still the same problem. You know what? Let's see. Maybe it's just not loading. Yeah. There we go. All right, now that that's back working. What was I doing? Oh, website check. Let's check on here and see if there's something different. So it connects. Allow. You have access. Welcome. Now go back. And blank page. Yeah. It's the same. Hold on, y'all. I'm thirsty as hell. My thing is just put my whole business on display, y'all. Whole damn business. Hydrate. Okay. Let's get back to it. Okay, so we're still dealing with the same issue, which is uh when you click the button, it goes away. So that would mean class patron one prompt. Hmm. Oh no, this is the actual settings of the bot. That's what I thought. Oh, it's tripping. That sucks. I think I'm gonna have to Hold on. Let's see. A rapper. Who doesn't love a good rapper? Exactly. Eek. Exactly. What's up, viewer? How are you? Hope still not working there. Load there. Nothing. Here. So I don't see no button. I don't see no button at all. Hmm. Actually, I don't even know what to do to get around this. Because you have to be logged in, but it's not. How do you? Hmm. Bro, I'm sorry. I'm about to call it. Bro, it's hard as hell. Honestly, I just want the one that says when I press refresh that motherfucker. Just like I damn said. Um, hmm. Oh, look at that. Horror file. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see the auto refresh. Where is refresh in this shema? Mm. All right. What do we have here? What do we have? Emails. Who doesn't love those? Who the fuck is emailing me at 3 a.m.? Who cares? I'm up anyway. JavaScript. Okay. It wants a new file. Let's make a new file. That may be the best idea. New file. Server JS. Assume back to securely handle the open call, you will need a backend server to the pricing request. Here's an example of what the backend might look like, not including the client code, but necessary for the above to work. Where would this go? Server.js, server. Okay. Build. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Gosh, way to pay attention. Way to pay attention. All right. Hi. Ah. Sorry, I encountered an error. JSON. Well, that is a new issue that we did not have before. So, let's see. It's not valid JSON. The error occurred. Syntax error. Expectation token. Doc type. It's not valid JSON. Chat. Wait. What does it actually say in there? I think that's exactly what it says in there. Yeah, sorry I encountered error. Please not valid JSON. Hi. Copy. I forgot to change the file before I did that. Did my settings change? No. That's interesting. Interesting how they do that window like that. So you had to do the server. So I had to edit my server that I didn't finish. So there's already one created. It had to fix it. Is that gonna work? I know my server be fucking. It'd be getting pissed off at stuff like that. Bet. This was working before I decided to lock it behind behind this connection. I'm almost like I should have done it differently. And this was supposed to be a test case for like to learn what to do for when I do it for real or on my other one, my other project, which has a little more depth to it than this one does. So I was like, man, let's do some testing. Let's like learn a little bit before I start having to do my other one. Cuz I'm going to build basically another version of this. Let us see. Refresh. Hello, I'm your Web3. Hi. Same thing. You saw that pop up. Not valid JSON. Is that me? Cause do we even save? Hold on. I don't think we saved it. Let me see. I think I already put that in there. Can't open that junk. I'd have to turn off the screen before I would. I might have already spilled it, but I don't know. But we um oh, this is all from the framework laptop. Hmm. There we go. I should not get emails every time somebody does that anymore. Somebody banging on the sofa. The words that I told her. All right. Now that should stop because that was annoying. I'm half asleep doing this, guys. I'm about to pick up tomorrow. I'm gonna shut it down for the night. Crash out. Honestly, I'm so hungry. I don't even want to crash. I just want to eat first, then crash. You think that actually worked, y'all? Not valid JSON. Oh, looks like I need to go back and finish some shit that is messed up. Mm-hmm. Hold on. Before we do that, let's address this. 10 packages, remove 30, 16 change. Run. Is that what I think it is, or did I just, or is that something I should really look that up. Uh, could not determine executable to run. Oh god, it's tripping again. Um, hmm. All right, y'all. It's been fun, but I'm about to tap out, and we'll do this again. I just wanted to do a good, quick test, see how it would go. I think I liked it. Probably do a lot more of these, but anyway, see you on the next one. Peace.